we've created one specification inside our test suite, but we really do need to add more to test effectively. So what would be a good test? Well, we want to make sure that our calculator can return values other than 42, so we can add another test to do that. Let's say 7 plus 19 should return 26. Let's go ahead and create a spec for that now. Notice where I'm putting it here, it's still inside the addition test section, following the other it assertion. And we're going to say it should return 26, a function, and we expect that when we call our addition function with the number 7 and the number 19, that's going to be 26. Okay, so that's our second test added. Let's save that, preview our index.html, and we can see that the test fails. We've got one passing and one failing. Now, Jasmine randomizes the order of the tests by default, so often they don't run in the order we wrote them. We can change that behavior if we wish, but it's fine for our purposes. To get our test passing, we actually need to write more code in our addition function. So let's do that now. I'll close index.html, open up our calc.js file, and now I'm going to accept the two arguments of num1 and num2, and I'm going to return num1 plus num2. So we'll save that. Again, go back to our index.html, preview it, and now both of our tests pass. It should return 42, and it does. It should return 26, and it does. And that helps us to ensure that no matter what values we pass through, we're going to get the sum of those two numbers, as opposed to just being given our hard-coded response of 42. So we know that 2 plus 2 would be 4, as 7 plus 19 is 26, and 20 plus 22 is 42. It might be tempting to think that that's all the tests that we need to do on an addition function. But if you think about it, there are still more tests that we could do to show that we expect the unexpected. We'll cover that in our next video.